So we're out here at a job today in Abbotsford for a customer who needs a leading cable. So they've had NBN come out and basically said, you know, don't want him to get a leading cable done himself. So he had a Sparky come out to run a Cat 6 cable. Originally the NBN guy told him that it was a HFC job. So luckily I checked because it's not, it's actually fibre to the curb. So yeah, just digging the trench in. So I've got my sods on this side here, the sods I should say. So once I'm done I can just pop all those back into the trench. So I got that down to 300. And yeah, that's it. So we're just going to leave that at the end here, the conduit, put a bit of draw wire in, and then they're going to come NBN at some stage and then get it into the pit here. Because if we do that, then you've got to get council permits and all sorts of stuff, and it starts getting expensive. So yep, basically I've dug the trench. Not much fun, but anyway, now I'll stick the conduits in. So the reason why I've had to dogleg this thing here like that instead of just coming straight across, firstly we've got a whole bunch of roots from that tree, but also too, all through here there was all like an old footpath or a walkway or something. So it was a bit of a tricky one. I had to stick the potter in a fair way and work out a path. So this was basically the path, because all along that edge there is the old bricks. That's why I had to do it that way. Anyway, so I've got the draw wire on now, and I'm just going to pull it through with a rotor, and now we'll rebury this conduit. Okie dokie, so I've got my conduit there now with the draw wire through. I'm going to bury that all now, so when NBN leading team come out, they can get it into the pit. Fun times. So that's it, conduit's all in, and put all the sods back on and just stuck some water on it just to make it all sink in nice and neat.